I just got home from SEMA and here are some new car parts for my Lotus Elise. Schmodified went down to our friends at Wire Wheel in Vero Beach who also rebuild Lotuses and got me a bunch of parts. The first one and my favorite is these carbon rear louvers. Yes, the car's a little dirty because I have been gone for a few weeks, but they will go and replace these old plastic louvers. I'm super excited. I think these are going to look awesome. Something that the Lotus Elise does not have from the factory is any real type of hood prop gas spring. So this is the gas spring that goes, it mounts on top of the engine and to the rear deck lid, pretty much just to hold it up. Super convenient because I'm constantly breaking stuff. And last but most importantly, you guys would know that I have been on the struggle bus when it comes to seatbelts. So here is my new harness bar. I know a lot of people are going to justifiably come for me for this, but I currently have Schroth Racing 4-point harnesses. This is really not a safe option for the car. The only reason I'm putting it in is because obviously it's safer than not having a seatbelt at all. This is not something I'm going to use at the track, obviously, and I'm hoping to replace with some 5-point harnesses soon. If anyone wants to help out with the 5-point harness situation, hit me up. I still have a lot of work to get done on the car, but since I am traveling next week, headed out to Formula One Vegas, I'm really going to focus on getting the seat harnesses and harness bar installed, and then of course doing the video on my little rear view mirror camera.